For us, partnership is not simply about being together or working together. Ito ay tungkol sa paniniwala na ang bawat komunidad ay may sariling kaalaman, may kakayanan, at mga solusyon. Our role is to help strengthen all this and create opportunities for them to flourish. We deeply value our partnership with the University of Southern Mindanao because we share a common commitment to peace, gender equality, human rights, environmental protection, sustainable agriculture, and community development. We see these values reflected in your work, your engagement with communities, and your commitment to making knowledge meaningful and responsive to people's needs. Naniniwala kami na mas nagiging makabuluhan ang ating gawain kapag pinagsasama ang kaalaman ng komunidad at ang kaalamang akademiko. Through this partnership, we bring together research and local experience, tradition and innovation, and academic knowledge and community wisdom. Together, we are working in areas that matter deeply to communities: the indigenous people's language preservation, farmers' products development, community health, and gardening. For us, ang pagpapanatili ng wika ay pagpapanatili ng pagkakakilanlan, kultura, kasaysayan, at karunungan ng mga susunod na henerasyon. We also see farmers not simply as beneficiaries, but as mga katuwang tagapag-ingat ng kaalaman at mga innovator. By building on their skills and local resources, we strengthen livelihoods, agriculture, and food security. But what makes this partnership truly meaningful is our shared vision and shared approach. Hindi tayo pumupunta sa komunidad na dala ang lahat ng sagot. Pumupunta tayo upang makinig, matuto, at makipagtulungan. We build on what communities already have and help create opportunities for their knowledge and strengths to flourish. Because we believe that sustainable development happens when people are empowered, when their knowledge and culture are respected, and when they have the opportunity to shape their own future. Sa huli, ang tunay na partnership ay hindi lamang tungkol sa mga proyekto. Ito ay tungkol sa pagbuo ng tiwala, pagbabahagi ng kaalaman, at sama-samang paglikha ng pagbabago. We are grateful to have University of Southern Mindanao as an academic partner that shares these values and walks with us in this journey. Maraming salamat, USM, sa inyong pakikipagtulungan, malasakit at paniniwala sa kakayahan ng ating mga komunidad. Sama-sama nating itaguyod ang isang mas mapayapa, inklusibo at napapanatiling kinabukasan. Thank you, and we look forward to continuing this journey together.